So, good afternoon, everyone. So, I am Nature Grace H. Mantiza. So, for this afternoon, I'm going to report about the Rizal literary work entitled Aking Mga Kabata. So, first, let's discuss the historical background of this poem. So, Jose Rizal is one of the most important heroes of the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period. So, he used his writings to expose the problem in his society and encourage Filipinos to love their country and fight for their reforms. So, one literally work commonly connected to Rizal is Aking Mga Kabata, which is our topic right now. So, the poem is believed to have been written when Rizal was still a child. So, the main message of this poem is the importance of loving one's native language. One of its most famous lines in ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay higit pa sa hayop at malansang isda. So these lines tell us that language is important because it reflects our identity, patriotism, and love for our nation. So during the 19th century, many Filipinos were influenced by Spanish culture. Because of this influence, Filipinos were often made to feel that their own language tradition were inferior. So even though some historians questions whether Rizal truly wrote the poem Aking Mga Kabata, still represents Rizal ideas about nationalism, education, and pride in Filipino identity. So the poem became significant because it encouraged Filipinos to respect and value their own culture instead of blindly admiring foreign influences. So now let us move to the discussion of the social problem represented in the poem. So the identified problem is in the Aking Mga Kabata is colonial mentality and discrimination against the native language. So during the Spanish colonial era, many Filipinos believed that the Spanish language and customs were superior to their own. So no, there are three causes of this problem. So first is Spanish colonization. So Spain ruled the Philippines for more than 300 years. During this time, Spanish authorities promoted their language and culture while native tradition were treated as inferior. So, second is limited education for Filipinos. So, I guess until now, this problem is nandito pa din. So, education during the Spanish period was mainly controlled by friars and was only available to privileged individuals. Native languages were not highly valued in school. So, the last problem is social discrimination. So, Filipinos who could speak Spanish were often considered more educated and belonged to the higher social class. So this created the belief that local languages were less important. So because of these causes, several negative effects happened. And the first effect was the loss of national pride. So many Filipinos became ashamed of their own what we call this language and culture. So the second effect was weak and national unity. Since many people valued foreign culture, more it so since many people valued foreign culture more, it became difficult for Filipinos to unite as one nation. So the third effect was cultural inferiority or colonial mentality. So Filipinos developed the mindset that foreign ideas and customs are always better than their own. So now, what was Rizal's proposed solution to these problems? So Rizal believed that Filipinos should love and preserve their native language because language reflects the identity and freedom of the nation. Through Aking Mga Kabata, he encouraged Filipinos to respect and use their own language be proud of their culture and identity, and promote education that develops nationalism and patriotism. So Rizal believed that a true national progress could only happen if Filipinos learn to value themselves, their culture, and their heritage. To conclude, Aking Mga Kabata teaches us the importance of loving our own language and culture. The poem is also reminds us that our language is part of our identity as mga Filipinos, and we should always be proud of who we are. That's all. Thank you for listening, and that's is the end of my report. So let's proceed to the next reporter, which is si Jade Cortman Langit.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jake Cortef Manlangit. Discussion of the problem based on the community. Presence of the problem in the community today. The problem discussed in Aking Mga Kabata is still present in many communities today. Many people still prefer foreign languages, trends, and cultures over Filipino culture. So, the problem discussed in Aking Mga Kabata is still happening. Many people admire foreign languages, culture, and products more than Filipino culture. So, the problem discussed about Aking Mga Kabata is makita gihapon karon sa atong komunidad. And daghan tao na mas ganahan mo gamit og mga foreign languages og mga produkto and kultura kaysa sa atong own kulturang Pilipino. Causes: influence of foreign media. Social media, movies, and music from other countries greatly influence young people today. So, foreign media influence young people are influenced by foreign movies, music, and social media. And daghan kabatan-unan na impluensyahan sa mga salida, musika, ug social media gikan sa laing nasod. And believe that English is superior. Some people think that speaking English makes a person smarter or more successful, causing others to look down on Filipino languages. So, believe that English is better without something speaking English makes a person smarter or more successful. So, para sa kuha ma'am is there's many people nga ganun na nga kung maayo ka mo English is bright ka o mas successful ka nga tao. Modern colonial mentality. Many individuals still believe that imported products, foreign culture, and foreign lifestyle are better than local ones. So, some people believe foreign products and lifestyle are better than Philippine ones. So, ang uban daw kay mutuo nga ang uban daw is mutuo og mas nindot ang mga imported nga produkto o kultura kaysa sa atoa nga lokal. Decreased appreciation of Filipino culture. Some young Filipinos are becoming less interested in local literature, traditions, and languages. Less appreciation of Filipino culture. Many young Filipino lost interest in local traditions, literature, and language. So, ang uban nga kabatan-unan kay dili na interesado sa local nga tradisyon o literature and language. Loss of cultural identity. Excessive admiration for foreign culture may weaken pride in being Filipino. Too much admiration for foreign culture can weaken Filipino pride. Based is kung sobra ang paghanga sa foreign culture, mahimong mawala ang garbo sa pagka-Pilipino. Language discrimination. People who are not fluent in English are sometimes mocked or underestimated. So, ang mga tao daw nga dili kabalo mo English, kay ilang katawan o ilang mock. Existing solutions. School teach Filipino subjects in Philippine literatures. The government promotes Filipino culture and local languages. Cultural groups organize activities that encourage nationalisms, propose solutions. Students and community members can help by using the respecting Filipino local languages and support Filipino products, music, literatures, and traditions, and encouraging Philippine history and culture using social media to promote Filipino value and identity conclusion. So, ato daw encourage and i-appreciate ang Filipino history and culture and gamito na to ang social media to promote Filipino values. And aking mga kabata teaches us to love and value our own languages. So, dapat ato silang tudluan nga atong i-love, nga atong i-value ang atong own nga language and ang atong culture. So, by appreciating our Filipino identity, we continue the message that Rizal wanted Filipino to learn. That's all. Thank you.